This is how a car engine starts when you turn the key. The battery provides 12 volts of power to the system. First, electricity passes through a fuse that protects the circuit. When you turn the ignition switch to start, a small current activates the relay. The relay then closes and sends high current directly to the starter motor. The starter motor spins the engine crankshaft, allowing the engine to begin combustion. And that's how your car starts in just a few seconds. Battery, 12V power source. The battery supplies 12 volts of electrical power. The positive plus symbol terminal sends power to the circuit. The negative terminal is connected to ground and completes the circuit. Fuse, protection. The fuse is placed between the battery and the ignition switch. Purpose: protects the wiring from overcurrent or short circuits. If too much current flows, the fuse blows and stops the circuit. Ignition switch. When you turn the key to start, the ignition switch sends a small current to the relay. This switch does not power the starter directly because the starter requires very high current. The relay acts like an electrically controlled switch. When the ignition switch sends power, the relay coil activates. The internal switch closes. This allows battery power to flow directly to the starter motor. This protects the ignition switch from carrying high current. Typical relay pins: 30 battery power input, 87 output to starter, 85/86 relay coil control. Starter motor, self-starter. Once the relay closes, high current flows from the battery to the starter motor. The starter motor spins the engine crankshaft. This allows the engine to begin combustion and start running. Simple flow of electricity. Battery fuse ignition switch relay starter motor engine starts.